Head back to your car and drive east on Hollywood Boulevard, past some of Hollywood's other landmarks. The El Capitan Theater and Disney Entertainment Center opposite Hollywood and Highland was restored by the Disney Company to its previous glory. The Jimmy Kimmel Live show is taped in the entertainment center, while Disney films are screened at next-door El Capitan with pre-show visits by costumed movie characters. The Ghirardelli soda fountain and Disney Studio store shares the building. On the next block, next to the dinosaur-topped Ripley's Believe It or Not, just down Highland, you can see the pink and green Art Deco façade of the original Max Factor factory, which now houses the Hollywood Museum. Continuing east, on your right you will pass the American Cinematheque at the historic Egyptian Theater and the Art Deco Hollywood icon that was originally Kress Department store. It spent a long time as Frederick's of Hollywood before being converted to a short-lived restaurant and nightclub. Hollywood's oldest restaurant, Musso and Frank Grill, will be on your left. At Hollywood and Vine, you can look for metered street parking to stop and take a photo of the circular tower of the Capitol Records building, the Hollywood and Vine signs and sky trackers, and another view of the Hollywood sign, or you can look left at them as you turn right down Vine Street. Either way, when you're ready, head south, away from the hills, on Vine Street, then turn right on Sunset Boulevard. The half-golf ball Cinerama Dome is on your left. Amoeba Music, at Ivar, is the place to shop for hard-to-find music, including a vast collection of recordings on vinyl and tape. Following are two different routes to take you west to the ocean, depending on what you would like to see. 1. Route takes you west by Museum Row on the Miracle Mile and the La Brea Tar Pits, if you're interested in prehistoric saber-toothed cats and mammoths. 2. Route B is west via the Sunset Strip in West Hollywood.